Hi there, everyone. Roberto here with Top One Marketing again with another awesome tutorial video. In this video, we're going to show you how to create your very own application that will allow you to put a file uploader onto your website like you see right here. This is a file uploader where someone chooses a file on their desktop, or they can drag and drop it onto there, and then they can upload the file. The file will then be uploaded into your very own Google Drive. And we're going to do this through a web application that we're going to build in the Google Scripts. Now, you don't have to be a coder. You don't have to have any prior knowledge in JavaScript, PHP, HTML, anything like that. All you're going to be doing is following instructions and copying and pasting some code into the web application builder. So without further ado, let's get into this. So we're going to go right into Google. We're going to go right into Google.scripts, script.google.com. I will drop this link in the description box below so that you can easily go to it. And we're going to create a new project. And so in this area right here, there's only one file right here. This is the only file. Okay, in this file, the code.js, what you're going to do is you're going to delete all this. And then you're going to go to the document that I'm going to provide for you. And right here it says this goes into the code.js file. So take this code right here from beginning to end, copy that, and paste it right into this area right here. Okay, and then what you're going to do is in this area right here, these mumbo jumbo of numbers and letters in between the two asterisk, these two lines right here, right in here, what you're going to do is you're going to copy your folder ID. So go into your folder in Google Drive, go right into it. And then you're going to have this number right here, right after, see where it says drive / folders / and then these numbers. You're going to copy these numbers and paste it right in here in this area right here. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to click on the plus sign right here where it's files, and you're going to create a new HTML file. Click on that. Just name it index, press enter or return. You're going to get this little code right here. Just erase this code. Go to the document again that I send you and copy this code right here from beginning to end. Copy that, go in here and paste it right in there. Okay, that's it. So next thing you're going to do, go into this cogwheel right here, project settings, and uncheck this enable Chrome V8 runtime. When you uncheck this, this is going to allow your web application to allow anyone, whether they have an account or not, to upload a file into your Google Drive. So go back to the codes here. All right. And so go back to code.js, right? And what you want to do is you want to click this run right here, and you're going to get an error. That's fine, because this area right here changed from my function to do get. Leave it on do get. Click on run again, and then it's going to do some work. And then what's going to happen is there's going to be a pop-up. It's going to ask you to authenticate your Google accounts for this new web application that you're doing, okay? Click on review permissions. Now, you're going to be already logged in because you're creating the web app. So just click your account and you're going to get this this thing right here. It says Google hasn't, of course, you're just creating this app. So obviously Google hasn't verified it, and you can use it just like this, okay? If you want Google to verify it, then just go ahead and go into the help section and figure out how you can verify your app and get it verified by Google. But I don't think it's necessary. Go to advanced and go to the project. Click allow. Okay, so now see right here, it says execution started, execution completed. Everything is all set to go. You can click run again and it'll do it again. Everything is working just fine. Now the next step that you're going to do is you're going to click on this deploy area and click on new deployment. The type right here in this cogwheel, click it, click web app. Now you're gonna describe the deployment. We'll just put number 1 there. Now this is very important. Leave this execute as me. What this is gonna do is it's gonna execute this web application every time as your web application. Now in the who has access section, you want to go to the anyone, because if you leave it with the Google account, anyone with just a Google account, it'll essentially be just like a Google form. You know, whoever wants to upload a file would have to log into their Google account. So click on anyone and then click on deploy. And there you go. Your application has been deployed. If you click this link right here, it'll take you to another screen where you will see your file upload. Now you can test this. Let's click on file uploaded, and then go to your drive, and then boom, there is the file that was just uploaded. Okay, so that was a test. Now you're gonna take this link right here and you are going to inject it into a URL frame wherever you are building your website at, wherever you want to put this this file uploader at, is where you're gonna put this link at. So in my case, I use the Builderall all-in-one platform, and so right here you can see I have an iframe. I'll drop this right in here. And then in this area right here, I have an embed URL. Whatever application, whatever system you use, you should have the same thing, or you know, you should be able to you know, embed an iframe script or whatever it may be. So we're going to paste that URL in there. Click apply, and then there you go. There's the uploader box right there. Okay, and then it'll be on the site, and whenever someone wants to upload a file and give it to you, they can do that immediately, totally for free, without any hassle. It was easy to do. And you can do it. Anybody can do it. So we thank you for watching the video. If this was helpful, give us a thumbs up, a like, a share, subscribe to our channel so that you can be notified any other time we come up with another one of these awesome videos. Thank you, and we'll see you on the next one.